Same task, two different plan modes, plan versus ultraplan. Look at the difference. One of them missed half the context and another one, it's 4 times faster. Let's put them head to head and see which one wins. Here's what we are covering: how to trigger both planning modes, how ultraplan works, and speed versus context problem and how to solve it. Let's go! To trigger plan mode, you can use /plan. For ultraplan, we have 3 options. Option number 1 is typing ultraplan and giving it a prompt. This only works from the terminal. If you have something like Visual Studio Terminal, like I do right here, ultraplan will work. You cannot use it from the extension. This one is the extension installed inside VS Code. Ultraplan doesn't work here. Option 2 is giving it a task and saying the word ultraplan like this. Hey, can you draw me a diagram and use the ultraplan? And it will turn into a rainbow. Third method is building a plan with the regular mode, and after you finished, if you are not happy with the result, you can continue that already created plan with ultraplan in Claude. So 3 different ways. Let's put them side by side and see which one wins. I will give both plan and ultraplan the same exact prompt, and I will give them 2 tests. The first one is to create a PDF file with my own styling and brand colors. The second one is creating a diagram. I have a plan with the prompt, create me a PDF with 20 tips on how to reduce the token usage so I do not hit the limit. This is quite a popular theme nowadays. And in the right side I have the same exact task using ultraplan. The only difference is the name of the file. One it's named with ultraplan and the other one with plan. So we can check the 2 PDFs side by side. Let's speed it up and see what happens. We can see already the ultraplan opened in the browser. We have a link, and from here, from the terminal, a session was started and we can check it out if we click this link. I ran about 10 tests and I noticed that from time to time this URL doesn't work. It's like 2 out of 10 times it fails. The plan itself, it is created, but it doesn't show on the web. The plan mode is asking me, hey, is this the correct path to create your PDF? It's asking me to auto-accept edits. And here is how it looks like. The web, as you can see, if I open the link, nothing is displayed. So from time to time, the session is not displayed here. But if I tell it, hey, I cannot see the session, everything will work fine. Very important, we can see that both plan mode and ultraplan picked the skill. So this is a skill that exists in my workspace, and it was, so far, it looks like it was correctly picked up by both planning modes. Both PDFs were generated. Let's check the result. This one it's generated with the regular plan, and I can see it has the brand colors, 2 columns, the styling looks correct, and I can see it has 1 page. Let's check the other one. This is the ultraplan result. I can see something very interesting. This one has 6 pages. So this is page 1 out of 6. Now, regarding the colors and the branding, this looks fine. But if I scroll, I can see it has 6 pages. One of them is empty, and it has some quick reference guide. Let's check out what the skill says. So both of the plan modes invoked a skill that was already present in the workspace. Let's check it out and determine if plan mode is correct or if ultraplan mode is correct. The skill that was invoked is skill cheat sheet. Let's quickly walk through it and see just the relevant part. I will click Command-Shift-V to display it in a user-friendly mode. We can see we have some layout rules, included the 2-column grid, because we have 20 items, and we also have a category called reference files. And here is what happened. Plan mode correctly went ahead and read also this reference. But ultraplan totally disregarded. Let's open format.md, which is in the reference folder, and check it out. I will press Command-Shift-V again. And here is the part that was totally ignored by ultraplan. One page only. No full guide, no quick setup. So with the same exact prompt, plan was 100% accurate and ultraplan disregarded the reference file. Let's give them a second test. This time I will ask them to create a diagram. I have plan mode in the left. Create a D2 diagram explaining when to use a command versus when to use a skill. Same exact prompt using ultraplan. Identical prompt, no difference. Let's see the winner. Ultraplan asks to open it on the web. This time we get the session successfully. So this one is already behaving better. We can see our prompt from the terminal was teleported here on the web. We are now on Claude.ai. One of the diagrams is ready. Ultraplan asks, hey, do you want me to implement this plan that I just finished here on the web, or do you want me to teleport it back to the terminal? I will say teleport it back. And the two diagrams are complete. Let's compare them side by side. This one, we notice it has horizontal layout. It uses this rounded square shape, and it has a legend. This one was created correct by plan mode. If we compare it to the second one, this second diagram has a different layout. It has a different type of shape. For example, it used diamond for decision, and the diamond was navy blue as opposed to this one, which is a pastel. And the second difference is we have no legend. So this one, created by plan mode, has legend. This one doesn't have. Again, ultraplan was not accurate. It disregarded the layout, the color palette, and the legend. All these three were requirements in my skill, the skill that I had in my workspace. So we have a problem. Ultraplan doesn't pick up the entire context of the workspace. But do we have any advantages of using ultraplan? The answer is yes. As you can see, ultraplan was 4 times faster than planning mode. So do we have a solution? Can we get both speed and accuracy? The answer is yes. To get both speed and accuracy, you need to know your context very well. This means you know exactly what you have in your project, what commands, what skills, and when to use each one. So if you choose ultraplan, give it a very specific prompt. We've seen in the 2 examples, I said build me a PDF showing 20 tips how to reduce your token consumption. If you want the prompt to be explicit, say, hey, use this particular skill. Same example for the diagram test that we did. Build me a diagram, but use this specific skill, not other one. So your prompt needs to be extremely specific. If you are not that familiar with your context and you don't mind to have the plan 4 times slower, you prioritize accuracy over speed, then you can let Claude to read your entire workspace and you don't need to be that's specific in your prompt. What are the prerequisites of using plan versus ultraplan? For plan, you don't need anything special. You just need your folder, your workspace on your machine, and to use it, just type /plan. Nothing else is required. Just type /plan. That's it. For ultraplan, we have a couple of requirements. The prerequisites are that your workspace, your folder from your local machine, is committed to Git. So you have done git init, commit and push. This is a must, together with a connection. When you use ultraplan for the very first time, you need to do this connection from GitHub to Claude AI. The process is straightforward. The very first time you type /ultraplan, you will receive a window like this, and all you have to do is authorize Claude. That's it. Quick recap of what we did. We opened our terminal. Remember, ultraplan only works from the terminal, not from the desktop app or browser. We launched both plan and ultraplan. For ultraplan, we received a link with the session, which opened in Claude.ai. And whenever the plan was ready in the browser, we went ahead and teleported the plan for implementation back in the terminal. So this is the most important part. We started it in our local terminal. The plan was opened in the browser, but for implementation, we teleported back. The takeaway is you can now build 4 times faster if you provide very explicit prompts in order to make sure you get the accuracy as well. So go ahead and experiment it.